Welcome to Literacy Lessons with Mrs. K. I'm so glad you're here today. Today, we're going to learn all about the letter T. Can you say T? Good job! All letters come in pairs. There is a capital letter and a lowercase letter. Even though some letters can look different, they can still be the same letter. T says T, like turtle, and T, like tiger. Can you say T? Good job! Let's look at some words that begin with the letter T. Toast, table, tooth, tomato. Can you hear the T sound? Let's write the capital letter T together. Start at the top. Big line down. Back to the top. Little line across the top. Good job. Let's write the lowercase t together. Start at the top. Little line down. Go to the middle. Little line across the middle. Great job. T is for tiger. T is for train. T is a letter we love to gain. Tap and tumble, tiptoe and play. T is terrific in every way. T, 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 terrific and tall. T, 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 the best letter of all. Let's remember what we learned today. T is for toast, tent, table, tooth, and tomato. Good job, friends. See you next time for another literacy lesson with Mrs. K.